Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shashidhar from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bennett University, Greater Noida, UP. Yes, in this video, I will show you how to install the MetaMask and I will demonstrate. So, what is the purpose of MetaMask? So, the MetaMask is one of the tool that can be used in the blockchain, right? So, the MetaMask is one of the wallet. So, the Ethereum wallet. So, we have different types of blockchain platforms like Hyperledger, Ethereum, Corda, IBM blockchain. So, different platforms we have in order to develop the blockchain based applications. In that, we need one uh, tool like MetaMask tool. So, here MetaMask tool particularly it can be used in Ethereum blockchain network. So once you have installed the MetaMask, so you can perform the transactions. Here transactions is nothing but you can send the ethers. In the Ethereum blockchain network, there is a currency, cryptocurrency called Ether. So the ethers can be used to perform the transactions. We can send the cryptocurrency, that is Ether, from one wallet to the another wallet once you have used the MetaMask, once you have installed the MetaMask in your browser. So here the MetaMask file will come as an extension to your browser. So this can be installed in the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so after performing this installation steps, we can transfer the ethers as well as we can deploy the contracts into the blockchain network, right? So in the MetaMask it will be having, we can possible to connect like different types of test networks as well as main network. In the MetaMask, once you have installed the MetaMask, there may be a Coven test network, Ropsten test network, and even you can run the local blockchain and you can connect to the MetaMask. So it will be helpful in order to transfer the ethers as well as in order to conduct the transactions, as well as we can deploy the contract and we can develop the decentralized applications, blockchain based applications. Okay, so let me tell, so what are the procedure? So like the procedure to install the MetaMask. So here we have a slide in order to set up a MetaMask Ethereum wallet, and it can be used to transfer the ethers from one wallet to the another wallet. So before that, let me discuss how to install this MetaMask and where it is available. So MetaMask is just an Ethereum browser. Otherwise, we can say that it is a Ether wallet. So it interacts with Ethereum decentralized applications and smart contracts without running a full Ethereum node. Okay, so if you want to run a full Ethereum node, for example, we have a Geth, that is Go Ethereum, so it will consume lot of time. Okay, so after installation of that Geth, we can perform some transactions like transferring the ethers, deploying the contracts, everything. So instead of running the full node, it will take huge bandwidth as well as storage space. In order to avoid that, we can just run the MetaMask. With help of that, we can connect to different blockchain networks in the Ethereum platform. Okay, so here we have steps like we can add this MetaMask. So it's like an add-on. Okay, add-on to the browser. The MetaMask add-on can be installed on Chrome or Firefox or Opera. So if you want to install the MetaMask, here we have a URL. Okay, so the URL is https metamask.io. Otherwise, you can go to the Google search and just type MetaMask. Okay, so after that you will get a link. Okay, so then you click on add to Chrome option. Okay, so there is a option. Okay, once you visited the website metamask.io, so based on your browser, okay, so maybe Firefox or a Google Chrome. Okay, so you can search it and you can add this file. You need to download the file. Okay, the MetaMask will be downloaded, then add it to Chrome, the option to install the MetaMask plugin. Okay, after successful downloading, okay, so you can add the plugin. So this MetaMask is like a plugin to your browser, right? Okay, so some other steps like after installing, you need to click on the MetaMask icon. So the file will be downloaded. In the first step, the MetaMask file will be downloaded. After that, you need to click on the MetaMask icon. It will be available on the top right corner of the Chrome browser. So it will open a MetaMask user interface. Okay, after that you need to scroll all the way down. You need to accept the terms and conditions, that is click accept to uh, agree. So in order to use the MetaMask you need to check that box. Okay, so the remaining steps like, okay, so after confirming the agreement, so it will ask you to enter the password. Okay, so you need to enter a valid password. So you can say that the strong password, so at least 8 characters you should enter. After that you need to confirm the password. Okay, so then you can click the create for a new Ethereum account, then your MetaMask account will be created. Okay, so you need to remember the password, don't forget the password. So later stages we are going to use, whenever you want to log in into the Ethereum wallet we need a password. So you need to remember the password, that is important. So you have successfully created the MetaMask account. So this account allows you to send and receive the ethers from one account to the another account, and also it can be used to deploy the smart contracts. So we know smart contract is a computer protocol or a lines of code that can be written using different languages, programming languages, like we can use Solidity and we can use Go language. So smart contracts can perform the particular task that can be run on the blockchain. So that is also possible using the ethers, right? Then during the installation of the MetaMask, so after giving the successful password, the MetaMask will show you 12 words recovery key. That 12 words recovery key is known as seed phrase. So this is very important. So in the future, as you may forget your password, and how to recover your MetaMask account, how to recover your wallets, Ethereum wallets. Okay, so in order to recover your Ethereum wallets, you need to keep this 12 words recovery key in a confidential place. Okay, so you can copy this 12 words to somewhere else. So it will be helpful in order to recover your MetaMask account or Ether accounts, we can say. Actually, these 12 words are the only way to restore the MetaMask accounts if you forget the password. So it is very important. So it should be stored in a safe location. Okay, after seed phase, we have one more step. Okay, so copy this, it's somewhere. Okay, so the finally there is an option all done. Okay, so you can click on that all done. So your MetaMask is ready. So you can explore the MetaMask. So there you can find the account address of MetaMask. Even you can import your private key. So you can enter your password and you can import your private key. You can copy the your private key to a secure place. So in the MetaMask we will be having a different networks like a main Ethereum network, Ropsten network, Coven test network, RingPay, localhost, and RPC. Okay, so many options are there. You can connect to different blockchain networks with help of the MetaMask. Okay, so in the MetaMask we are going to use, in the Ethereum blockchain and the MetaMask we are going to use few terms frequently. Okay, so maybe you heard about gas in the Ethereum blockchain network. So let me define what is meant by gas here. Okay, so here in the Ethereum network the transaction fee is calculated in gas and paid for in Ether. Okay, so whenever you are performing the transaction, like if you want to send the ethers from one wallet to the another wallet, otherwise if you want to deploy the contract, at the time there is a transaction fee. So that transaction fee can be measured in the gas, and if you want to pay for that, we are going to use the ethers. So ether is one of the cryptocurrency, Ethereum cryptocurrency. Other words, we can say that the gas is the fuel of the Ethereum network. So the gas is the fuel of the Ethereum network. The gas can be used to conduct the transactions, and we can execute the smart contracts, and even we can launch the decentralized applications in the blockchain network. That is possible. Okay, so let me define. So what is mean by Ether? Ether, otherwise ETH, we can say. Ether is the Ethereum network's native cryptocurrency, the second largest market cap on the crypto market. Okay, so like we have a Bitcoin, so that is the highest crypto value right now. The second highest crypto value we have Ether. Okay, so this is the Ethereum native cryptocurrency. The value will be 11,000 in Indian rupees. The cost of the Bitcoin is 5 lakhs in Indian rupees right now, approximate. Okay, and some other terms like we have the gas is the unit of calculation that indicates the fee for a particular action or a transaction. Okay, so whenever you are performing some transaction, we should have the gas fee. Okay, we need to pay for it using Ether. Next term we have gas limit. Okay, so here what is meant by gas limit? Gas limit is the maximum amount of gas that a user is willing to pay for performing this action or confirming a transaction. Okay, so user is trying to execute some contract, or you want to send some money or ethers from one account to the another account. There may be a transaction fee. Okay, so how to pay the transaction fee? The transaction fee can be paid using the gas, and here user can set the limit. Okay, so if you want to perform one particular transaction, how much amount you are going to spend on that, so that is called gas limit. Okay, so finally we have a gas price or a price of a gas. So if you want to purchase a unit of a gas, so how much the user is willing to pay, so that is the gas price. So here don't confuse with the terms like gas limit and gas price. So gas limit is nothing but, so if you want to perform a particular transaction, how much amount you will pay for the transaction, that is gas limit. So, and gas price, so if you want to purchase a unit of gas, how much amount you will pay in order to purchase that unit of gas, that is known as gas price. Okay, so in this video we have discussed a few steps about the MetaMask and what is the need of MetaMask. After that, what is meant by Ethereum, what is meant by Ether, and what is meant by gas limit and gas price. Thanks for watching.